Good morning, everyone. My report is all about magnetism. What is magnetism? Force of attraction or repulsion due to electron arrangement. Magnetic force are the strongest at the poles. Magnets have two poles, north and south. So, magnetism is the force exerted by magnets when they attract or repel each other. Magnetism is caused by the motion of electric charge. Every substance is made up to tiny units called atoms. Each atom has electrons particles that carry electric charge spinning like tops. The electrons circle the nucleus or core of an atom. Their movement generates an electric current and causes each electron to act like a microscopic magnet. So, karamihan sa mga sangkap ay pantay na bilang ng mga elektron ay umiikot sa pagkakasalungat ng direksyon na nag-aalis ng kanilang magnetismo. Kaya naman ang mga material tulad ng tela o papel ay sinasabing may ang magnet sa mga parehong direksyon. Sangkap tulad ng iron, cobalt at nickel, karamihan sa mga elektron ay umikot sa parehong direksyon. Ginagawa nitong malakas na magnetic ang mga atom sa mga sangkap na ito ay ngunit hindi pa sila magnet. Upang maging magnetized, isa pang malakas na magnetic substance ang dapat pumapasok sa magnetic field ng isang umiiral na magnet. Ang magnetic field ay ang lugar na sa paligid ay magnet na may magnetic force. Magnetic poles and fields. Magnet always have two poles. If a magnet is cut, it will still have two poles. Like magnetic poles repel, unlike magnetic poles attract. A magnetic field is an area in which magnet force act. Magnetic pole region at each end of magnet where the external magnetic field is strongest. A bad bar magnet suspended in earth magnetic field orients itself in a north-south direction. The north-south seeking pole of such magnet or any similar pole is called a north magnetic pole. The south seeking pole or any pole similar to it, it's called a south magnetic pole. Unlike poles of different magnets attract each other, like poles repel or each other. Magnetic materials. Natural magnets have naturally occurring magnetic properties. Example, limestone magnetite. Limestone is one of only a very few minerals that is found naturally magnetized. Their magnetite is black or brownish black. Ang magnet ay isang material na bagay na gumagawa ng magnetic field. Ang magnetic field na ito ay hindi nakikita ngunit responsable para sa pinakakilalang katangian ng isang magnet. Isang puwersa na humihila sa ibaba pang mga magnetic or materyales tulad ng bakal, nickel, cobalt at iba pa ay umaakit o nagtataboy sa ibang mga magnet. Next is temporary magnets. Easy to magnetize. Lose their magnetism quickly. Example, soft iron. A temporary magnet is a magnet made of soft iron. that is usually easy to magnetize. However, temporary magnets lose most of their magnetic properties when the magnetizing cause is discontinued. Permanent magnets are usually more difficult to magnetize but they remain magnetized. Halimbawa, ang bakal na kadalasang ginagawa para likain ang metal na ginagamit para sa mga bagay tulad ng martilyo, pako at paperclip ay perpektong nagpapakita kung ang mga pansamantalang magnet. Next is permanent magnets. Hard to magnetize, stay magnetized longer than temporary magnets. For example, alnico, cobalt, nickel, aluminum. Permanent magnets. A permanent magnet is called a permanent magnet because its magnetism is always on. It generates its own persistent magnet field, unlike an electromagnet which is made from a coil or wire wrapped around a steel core and requires an electric current to generate a magnetic field. Earth magnetic properties. Gilbert was a scientist that showed that the Earth behaves as a magnet. The Earth's magnetic field is strongest at the poles. Earth's magnetic field is called magnetosphere. The Earth's magnetic field is a magnetic field that surrounds the Earth. It is sometimes called a geomagnetic field. The Earth's magnetic fields are created by the rotation of Earth and Earth core. It shields of Earth against harmful particles and space. Ang magnetic field ay lupa na kadalasang sanhi ng mga electric current sa likidong panlabas na core na binubuo ng conductive molten iron. Ang mga loop ng mga alon sa patuloy na gumagalaw. Likidong bakal na lumilika ng mga magnetic field mula sa malayo at Earth ang mukhang isang malaking magnet na may hilaga at timog ng poste tulad ng iba pang magnet. Next is compasses. Compasses are used to determine direction. Compass needles are magnetized and responds to the magnetic field of the Earth. Compasses point of the magnetic poles of the Earth. A compass allows to the observe of direction of magnetic field. Compass needles are just little magnets that are free to rotate. Normally, compasses respond to Earth's magnetic field, orienting themselves parallel of magnetic field lines. Next is other sources of magnetism. Magnetic fields of the Earth and other planets are related to their cores. The Sun is a source of a magnetic field. Ang mga electric current sa loob ng araw ay bumubuo ng magnetic field na kumakalat sa buong solar system. Ang patlang ay nagdudulot ng aktibidad sa ibabaw ng araw, sumisikat at bumababa sa isang regular na ikot. Sa tuktok ng circle of polarity of field ay pumipihit sa panahon ng maximum na aktibidad na sunspot. Next is magnetic variation. Magnetic poles of the Earth are different from the geographic poles of the Earth. Magnetic declination of magnetic variation is an angle of horizontal plane between magnetic north and true north. This angle varies depending on position of the Earth's surface and change over time. Next is magnetic induction. Process by materials can magnetize. Ang magnetic induction, ito ay ang paggawa ng isang electromotive force sa isang electrical conductor sa isang nagbabagong magnetic field. Si Michael Faraday ay isa siya sa kinikilala sa pagtuklas ng induction noong 1831 at inilarawan ito ni James Clerk Maxwell bilang batas ni Lenz ang direksyon ng induced field. What is magnetic properties? Spinning electrons cause some metals to have magnetic properties. Second, magnetic domains are groups of arranged magnetic fields. And the third, dropping, hammering, or hitting a magnet will cause a magnet to lose magnetic properties. Electromagnetism discovered by Ørsted scientists. Relationship between electricity and magnetism. Electromagnetism is a branch of physics that deals with the electromagnetic force that occurs between electrically charged particles. The electromagnetic force is one of the four fundamental forces and exhibits electromagnetic fields such as magnetic fields. Electric fields are light. It is the basic reason electrons are bound to the nucleus and one responsible for the complete structure of the nucleus. Next is electromagnets. Temporary magnets. Magnetism can be turned on and off made by wrapping wire around a piece of iron and sending a current through the wire. Magnetic field is in the same direction as the electric current. Ang electromagnets ay iba sa mga permanenteng magnet. Ang electromagnet ay gawa sa mga coils na wire na may kuryenteng dumadaan sa kanila. Ang paglipat ng mga singil na nilikha ng mga magnetic field kapag ang mga coils ng wire sa isang electromagnet ay may electric current na dumadaan sa kanila. Ang mga coils ay kumikilos na parang magnet. Kapag naman huminto ang pag-agos ng kuryente, ang mga coils ay hindi na kumikilos na parang magnet. Next is increasing the strength of electromagnets. Increasing the strength of electromagnets. Increasing the voltage of current, increasing number of loops of wire. Dito naman po sa increasing of the strength of electromagnets ay ang pinagsamang magnetic force ng magnetized wire coil at iron bar ay gumagawa ng isang electromagnet na napakalakas. Sa katunayan, ang mga electromagnets ay ang pinakamalakas na magnet na ginagawa. Ang isang electromagnet ay mas malakas kung mayroon mas maraming mga pagliko sa coil na wire dahil mas maraming electromagnets na dumadaloy dito. Electric motors versus generators. Electric motors convert electricity, use mechanical energy in order to do work. Generators convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Ang electric motor daw po ay ang nagko-convert ng kuryente sa mechanical na enerhiya na nagbibigay ng pinagmumulan ng kapangyarihan sa makinarya. At ang generators naman po ay isang kuryenteng makina na nagko-convert ng mechanical na enerhiya sa electrical na enerhiya. Transformers used to increase or decrease voltage, made of primary and secondary coils. There are two types of transformer: set up, increase voltage; step down, decrease voltage. Ang transformer naman po ay ginagamit upang baguhin ang mga antas ng voltahe ng AC. Ang mga naturang transformer ay tinatawag na step up o step down na uri ng upang taasan o babaan ang antas ng voltahe. Ayon sa pagkakabanggit ng transformer ay maaari ding gamitin upang magbigay ng galvanic na paghihiwalay sa pagitan ng mga circuit pati na rin sa mga ilang mga yugto ng signal processing circuit. So that's all my report. Thank you.